If you've been eyeing the Secrets Maroma swim up room, I'm walking you through the room, the terrace, the pool access, and the details that make this one of the most popular room types at the entire resort. And stay until the end to see who this room category is truly best suited for. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all inclusive vacations. In today's video, I'm taking you on a full room tour of a swim up room at Secrets Maroma. Secrets Maroma is an incredible adults-only resort located about 30 minutes south of Cancun International Airport, and always a top seller for me and one that my guests love to come to time and time again. So as we take a look through this room, you'll notice some of the warm wood tones. You can see that in the closet here. You've got your iron, safe, slippers, and robe, so you don't need to bring any of those things from home. But what I love is how spacious this room is. You've got this huge credenza area that has drawer storage in addition to this pull-out area here. And on the opposite end, you have your mini bar, and this is fully stocked and refreshed daily. On top, you'll find water bottles and an espresso system and all of your glassware that you'll need. You do have a small desk and a sofa seating area here. And all of this leads out to your gorgeous swim up access. Take a look at the size of this terrace. Now, while most of the swim up rooms at Secrets Maroma do not connect to the main pool, that just means that you will have the ultimate in privacy. And on your fully furnished terrace, you do have a dining area, a lounge, and a sofa bed here. But the best part is this pool access with the sun tanning ledge. So we're heading back into the room. You'll notice this is a king suite. There are minimal double bed occupancy rooms here. And you'll notice here is your main touch point system for lighting and all of the other controls within the room. However, these rooms at Secrets Maroma, with the exception of the honeymoon and the oceanfront master suite, they are all going to be identical. And the only thing that's going to change is your view and whether or not you have preferred club access amenities. And then here you can actually open up into the bathroom if you choose, or close it off for privacy. There's your full-length mirror, which is always a must-have at a resort. And you do have full doors to close off your bathroom space, which I personally prefer. To the right is your water closet. And then just next to that is your walk-in shower with, of course, rain head. And I love the bench that they've added in here. And of course, you do have dual sinks and all of the different toiletries and amenities that you may need, and your jacuzzi tub. This room is ideal for couples who really value privacy. They're looking for that direct pool access, and they really are looking for a quiet, relaxing space to unwind. And here is a look at the secret box. It allows staff to deliver room service discreetly without knocking or needing to enter the room. Thanks so much for watching. If you're considering a vacation to Mexico or the Dominican, make sure you check out my other resort tours, and don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.